Man, Bitcoin has had a massive dump today, and I want to talk about how I was able to get into a short position right at the top, right before this massive dump, which, by the way, this short trade is in some pretty massive profits right now. And I just want to go over how I was able to grab that short trade because, it was kind of a ninja entry. So basically, all week I've been trading this volume range, just trading divergences and volume levels. I've taken a lot of shorts from the top of the range. I've taken a few longs from the bottom. But when we got this pump, I was not in any long trades. I was only in some shorts, and they got stopped out in profit. So while we were pumping up here, I was not in any trades. But instead of FOMOing long, as I saw that we were apparently breaking out, we were sort of breaking market structure. We were making a new higher high. Instead of just FOMOing long, I was patient and I waited for the perfect opportunity to present itself. And we did get a very perfect opportunity right here. Basically, we just pumped right up to the value area high of this range, and we also had a golden pocket right in this area from this high down to this low. And as we were rejecting off of that value area low to the exact dollar, we were printing the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern on market cipher B. We only saw the divergences on the 1 minute, but they were still there. They were still pretty clear. And even though money flow was still increasing and we weren't seeing divergences on any other time frames like the 3 minute, nothing there. Even though we were only seeing, limited signals for this trade, the reason I entered it was because we were coming up and rejecting off of a key level like the value area high. And I was patient with this short entry too. I didn't enter until we saw the retest of this golden pocket, which we front ran it a little bit, but I entered right around this area once I saw that we were coming back down. Momentum was obviously decreasing, so I was able to get into a nice little trade here, and I took profits down at the bottom of the range, but I was able to leave a good portion of it open, and we got to that breakdown out of the range that I was hoping for. So the only reason I was able to enter this trade was because I had this level in mind, this value area high with this golden pocket. I had that on my chart. When I saw that we were pumping up into that level, I saw the divergences and, I was able to get a trade. If I hadn't had those levels on my chart, there's no way I would have been able to get into a trade here. So, this just speaks to how important it is to do the work ahead of time, to have the levels marked out in advance so you can be ready for these crazy volatile moves and, you can potentially capitalize on them. Now, right now, I did enter a little long trade because we came down to this level and we had a potential, actually, we had a chickens drinking water from this level, a swing failure pattern it seems. We took out this low, quickly dipped down below it, and then popped right back up. But I'm still holding this short, some of it open in case we see lower prices. But yeah, this was a pretty massive dump. It was 4% move in, less than an hour. So pretty crazy stuff. I know some people have a technical target of a descending triangle. And let's see where that would bring us. Have we hit that target yet? No, we didn't hit the target yet, so still potential that we could come lower. But, we don't have to hit this target. But, we've got a few lows down here that we could potentially grab liquidity from. All right, well, that's basically it. That's all I wanted to talk about. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Peace.